lovelies, so welcome to my wash day video. My hair used to be in crochet twists, so it's stretched and dirty and really needs to be clarified. I'm going to clarify with the bentonite Aztec clay, and I'm going to mix that with apple cider vinegar in a mixing bowl with a non-metal mixing utensil. So I'm just going to make sure that I start to add a little bit of clay and some apple cider vinegar, and I just add both parts until I get a creamy substance. So I mix all around until all the little clumps are mixed away and it's smooth and ready to be applied. I like to work in sections. It makes my hair a lot easier to manage. My hair is pretty thick, and so it's a lot easier when it's all sectioned off like this. I'm going to separate even more, and I'm going to use aloe vera gel in a spritz bottle to moisten my hair a little bit more. Bentonite clay is a lot easier to apply if you have some moisture on your hair, so I just run the moisture through my hair before adding the clay. I add the clay to my ends first, and then work my way up for the most part. And I'll just try to run my fingers through my hair and squeeze the product in. And as I do that, my hair kind of loosens up, the tangles fall away, and I'm able to actually detangle my hair with the clay and aloe vera and apple cider vinegar mix all up in there. And it really works to stretch and elongate my curls, and you can see that the curls start to curl up a little bit more, which I can see as my hair accepting moisture as well as getting clarified. As the product buildup falls away from my hair strands, my hair is able to become curlier again because it is clean and fresh. So the way that bentonite clay works is it actually clings to oil and dirt, and it latches itself to the oils and dirt, and that way it will harden once you're done with your mask, and once you rinse it out, everything will be removed from your hair and your hair will be nice and clarified. So I continue doing the same thing in these sections, just spritzing with aloe vera juice to tangle the larger knots out of the way, and then applying the clay and running my hands through my hair. So as you guys can see, the clay has worked to really curl up my hair, and my hair feels detangled, it moves, feels really fresh, and I can still run my fingers through my hair. So here's the first half that's done, and now my whole head is done. And so now I am ready to wash off all this old clay. I especially love how the clay curls up my curls in the back that are a lot tighter at the same time. So now that I'm all set, I'm going to let it sit on my hair for about 25 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. I section my hair into two just so I can work with smaller sections, and I get to rinsing out my hair. I use warm water, and I try to move slowly just to make sure that everything gets removed. So you're going to want to kind of like massage your scalp so that you can make sure that all the clay gets out of your scalp. My hair is pretty thick too, so I'm squeezing out the product and separating my hair and just really thoroughly rinsing out all the clay. Now that my hair is all rinsed out, you can see that it's super curly, super defined and bouncy. It feels really soft. It feels as though I've almost already applied a conditioner, but that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to section out my hair into 4 sections so I can work better with my hair. And I only just started using sections again in my hair the past few months, but it is pretty thick. So I section it out into 4s, and I'm going to use the Canon deep conditioning butter, and I use a whole lot of it, and I just apply it to the section. I work it in by squeezing and running my hands down my hair, separating the hair to make sure that every strand gets coated. So I've left the deep conditioner mask on for about 10 minutes as I've done the rest of my shower duties, and my hair is super soft and ready to be rinsed out. So I do rinse out the deep conditioner and my hair feels really soft. I really love this deep conditioner. I have to use a lot of it just because I really like the effect that I get from it, but it feels great. I follow up with my Aussie Moist conditioner just to rinse out the rest of it, and I love this conditioner. My hair loves how silky it feels, especially when I spritz the aloe vera juice on there and section it off. It ends up being super detangled. So I take down the first section of the Aussie Moist aloe vera juice mix and my hair feels really soft. I'm able to get a really good detangle in there and my hair feels like butter, to be honest. I get a great detangle, my hair bounces back up, it feels really great, and these two products work really well together. So I just rinse out that product, and as you guys can see, I am very pleased with how it feels. It feels very much like my hair is just silky and fresh, and I absolutely love this step. Even when I use other deep conditioners or protein masks or anything, I always follow up my Aussie Moist aloe vera mix. My hair is all washed and conditioned and detangled, and it's still pretty defined. It's very soft, and it's even shrunken up quite a bit, which shows it's quite healthy. And I'm going to add my aloe vera gel in now. It is a really great leave-in conditioner step for me. It seems to just add a whole bunch of moisture to my hair while it's still wet and fresh, and I really love how my hair reacts to it. It feels as though I'm putting on a really light water-based gel or something like that. It just locks that moisture into my strands. I end up squeezing out a little bit of the extra excess and then twisting my hair back up. So that's my current wash day routine, guys. My hair is all set and ready to be styled, and I'm really glad that you guys watched this with me. Be sure to leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe.